Welcome back to another video, everybody. And as you guys can see here, we have the tow mirrors from Boost Auto Parts, and we are going to be installing them on the 2022 Sierra AT4, and we'll show you what's inside. So when you get it, we'll open it up here, take off your styrofoam, and we have the mirrors and the wiring harness if you want to add all the lights and everything. In our mirrors, these are basically fully loaded, so they have all the different options in terms of lighting. So we'll take one out here as soon as we can take the cover off of it. I'm trying to do this with one hand, not the easiest to do, but as you guys can see, and these are very, very nice. They have the switchbacks, everything like that, and then of course all the different lights and everything inside the mirrors themselves. So yeah, these tow mirrors are super nice, and like I said, all the different options, the turn signals, the lighting, the spotlights on the front and the back. Very, very nice tow mirrors, and these guys are super easy and very, very nice to deal with. I would highly recommend that if you are looking for tow mirrors, you do have to go through Boost Auto Parts. It's a no-brainer. Very, very nice people over there, and quality products are amazing. So without further ado, these are what the mirror looks like, and we have the wiring harness here, and we will get it installed.
All right, guys, so the first step is going to be taking off the door panel. There is two 7mm bolts right there that you have to take out. There's a little rubber cover that you'll have to remove before you can see those. And then there's also, you see one in there, and then another one in there. And if you guys do need help with this, Boost Auto Parts does have a great video on their website and YouTube channel explaining how to remove the door panel and do all the whole installation. So check them out.
Okay, so before we pull the door panel off, I just want to mention again, like we said before, the video on Boost Auto Parts is a phenomenal video, in depth, and if you have any concerns about installing these, that video will ease all those concerns. And the guys over at Boost Auto are just amazing guys, so please check them out. Quality mirrors, but great guys over there. So next step here is to pull off the door panel, and we'll show you once it's off. It's hard to do with one hand, but you'll pull from the bottom, and of course these bolts are now out, so that will pop off, and then the right under here will pop off as well. So like I was saying, the door will come off, and they're just clips right in behind the door panel here. They're just clips that you just have to just pull out there. You can see all the white clips there, and then once you pull it up and out, then all the wiring will have to be disconnected. So once the door panel is off, it'll look like this, and basically the only two things holding it on is, one, you have wire here for the clips. You can leave that on if you want, just through some styrofoam underneath, but you will have to disconnect this guy here, and this wiring will you'll just pop that in right after, no big deal. Then you will have a kind of like just a rubber piece that looks like this, or a plastic piece rather, looks like this. It just goes right over top, more like that. And then once you take that off, then you'll see the four bolts here that hold on the mirror. So we'll have to do wiring will have to come out, and then these four bolts as well. So just taking the bolts out now, then the mirror, just the wiring has to come out still. Okay, so once the wiring is off, then you'll just take the mirror out, and then basically the new tow mirrors will just go right in. You'll bolt it back in, then put the wiring harness back in as well. Okay, so as you can see here, the mirrors are on, and the smoked lights and the overall design of this mirror looks phenomenal, especially on a darker color truck. Just looks phenomenal, but just quality mirrors overall. You can see the front of it there. Just a very, very nice design. And so the next step would be to remove this guy in here and hook up the new wiring, which is why we got the wiring harness. Boost Auto Parts gives a phenomenal video on how to do this. So if you are looking to do it, look on Boost Auto Parts. Their video is very in-depth and it shows it very clearly as to what you're supposed to do with it. So if you have any questions, that's where we will link that video down in the description below. Check out their video. It has a phenomenal in-depth review of how to hook up the wiring just under here, and then how to run it right across the truck as well for the other mirror there as well. So look on their website, but overall the mirrors are looking phenomenal so far. We got the door panel back on and mirrors look phenomenal. Okay guys, mirrors are on, install is finished, and they look amazing on the truck. I'll let you guys be the judge, but they certainly look amazing on the truck. And we'll give you a close-up here. We have the smoked lights, you got the spotlights there as well, and guys, the mirrors are just phenomenal. They look amazing. The quality is great, and you can customize these mirrors to your liking on Boost Auto Parts website. You can customize everything. You can do a chrome top. You could completely customize what you have on the mirrors. So and they are made to your order. So again, the guys at Boost Auto Parts were phenomenal to deal with. Nicest guys over there. And if you are looking for tow mirrors and you're in the market for these, there should really only be one site you're looking at. Should be Boost Auto Parts. Products are quality, phenomenal products, plus amazing customer service and great guys over there. So check out their website. We're gonna have their video linked in the description. If you need any install, if you have any install questions, or if you need to see a more in-depth install video, that is where you will go. And guys, Boost Auto Parts did it again for us. They look phenomenal on the truck. They look really, really good there. So guys, if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below. Smash that like button and subscribe if you are new. Those are the tow mirrors, guys, and we will see you all in the next video.